welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you GSB Konkani style dal, commonly called as Dalitoy. This is a must in every GSB Konkani household without fail and is passionately relished very religiously. It's very tasty and it still remains some kind of ambassador of Konkani cuisine, and you can find it on the menu for each and every Konkani function. So let's get started. We will need 1 cup tur dal. Rinse it 2 to 3 times with water and pressure cook it till 3 whistles. Check the dal. It should be soft and mushy. Mash it well to creamy consistency. Transfer it to a vessel. Add some water to adjust the consistency. Now add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon rock salt, half teaspoon crushed ginger, 3 to 4 slit green chilies, pinch of hing, dissolved in a little water. Give it a stir. Boil it on a medium to low flame, stirring in between. Allow it to boil for 5 to 8 minutes and remove from fire. Now in a tempering pan, add 1 teaspoon ghee, half teaspoon mustard seeds. Let it crackle. Add 1 to 2 broken red chilies, a dash of hing, some curry leaves. Let the tempering roast for a couple of seconds. Immediately add the seasoning to the dal and cover it for a minute. Ta-da! The colorful and mind-blowingly aromatic dalitoy is ready. It's very easy and very tasty, so do try it at home. Serve it with piping hot rice, ghee and lemon. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.